Hey, this is Todd from the Choice One Products. I'm just bringing you a little automotive tip again about running rich 4.3 liter Chevy, usually S10 pickups or Blazers. VIN W, it's the 8th digit of the VIN number is an 8 for this engine, and you have a problem with it running rough. It depends on what kind of tools you have, but if you have a fuel gauge, you're going to find the fuel pressure is dropping, and in some areas, more in the cold climate areas, you're going to find a problem with the fuel pressure regulator leaking inside the engine, because that's where it's at, or actually some fuel lines can crack too, and I'm just going to zoom in and show you on this vehicle where they are. This vehicle had a cracked fuel line. You can kind of see how clean the engine is on the driver's side. Because of that, the clean engine usually identifies where the fuel problem is. Fuel pressure regulator right here, 2 screws hold it in place. It's probably replaceable. You can see it's black and dirty, so that's not a problem over here. But over here, it's nice and clean. So there's a gas leak over here, and actually this line is leaking, I believe. We're going to replace both these lines. They just slide out the back. It's not too bad of a job. So just take the intake off, maybe 10 bolts, something like that. Really not too bad of a job. Just don't forget about there's one back here, and a vacuum line on this side, and a vacuum line on this side. And so if you're having a problem with the car running rich, and it's a Chevy Blazer pickup, then you might want to take a quick look in here. It doesn't take any more than probably a half hour. If it's your first time, it might take a half hour to take it off.